Got a bounty on his head and it's 50 G's.
Kevin Holland, congrats on your bounty. Cowboy Oliveira via KO.
Ooh, 50 G's, baby.
So what's next?
You know, I got a few ideas. Oh, yeah, this Big D.
Hey, Big Mouth.
Yo, what's going on with you, Dana? How you feeling, man?
Feeling good. How you feeling? You ready to smack this June 18th?
Man, yeah, bro, I really do. You know, June 18th, Austin, Texas. Bro, it's an honor, man.
That boy Tim Means is legit, though.
The Big Bird, right?
Yes, sir.
I think I see a fucking Big Bird right now, bro.
No, come on.
Bro, I shit you not, bro.
Big Mouth.
I can do it now? No, bro, it's Big Bird right here, bro. It's fucking Big Bird right now, bro. It's Big Bird right here, right now.
Hi, I'm Tim Dirty Bird Means, and I'll be fighting Kevin Holland June 18th.
And I'll be choking my fucking chicken. Oh, shit. The fucking yeah, chicken. Chicken won't go in, man. Don't worry, I'm okay. He's not.